Jesus, which kind of thing is that? Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. What did happen here? Blood of Jesus. 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 Happening live right now in Port Harcourt. Happening live right now in Port Harcourt. If you feel woman be dog, bring her to see.
Wow, this Nigeria.
Happening live right now in Port Harcourt. Happening live right now in Port Harcourt. Happening live right now in Port Harcourt. A man that turned to dog. A lady that sleep with a dog. A lady that sleep with a dog. Happening live right now in Port Harcourt. Happening live right now in Port Harcourt. Happening live right now in Port Harcourt.
We don't need the pretense here. Open the waterproof.
And I like bad news. And I like bad news. And I like bad news. Why Nigerians like bad news? I'm preaching, I come preaching, and I don't feel stand on that one, they watch me. Bad news, nobody want to watch bad news. Nobody they watch bad, nobody they like good news for this country. That make every time bad news they plenty everywhere. People they try to do good things, I know what's here. See police people. Everybody they talk about things about police. The little good thing police they do, I'm not saying they're good finish, but the little good thing police they do, nobody will talk about them. Nothing want to talk about police. See pastors, all the healing, prayers, prophecy, your pastors they do vigil. Nobody will want to talk about them. But immediately they hear one small bad thing about pastors. Bad news, everyone here. See politicians will enter power. Politicians will enter power. And I want to talk bad thing about them. Nobody wants to see the good part. So please, try and do the good thing. Try to be a good citizen of this country. So that you will become benefit. Stop being a bad person. Stop being a bad influence. Everybody is trying to make sure say this country become a better place. You don't want to live. Try and be a good place, and God will bless you in Jesus' name. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is director. I'm an Hollywood director, and we are out here to tell you, stay away from crime. Stay away from bad things. God will bless you. Don't be doing bad things in this country. And God will bless you. We love you all from Nollywood, Nigeria. Be a good citizen. Do the right thing. Stay away from crime. And God will bless you. Thank you.